Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our FCPS Part 1 MCQs video series. Today, our today's MCQ is Hashoplikini contain which of the following? Option A, osteoblast. Option A, osteocytes. Option C, osteoclasts. Option D, chondroblast. And option E, chondrocytes. First of all, let us see what are these particular types of cells one by one. Uh, First of all, see about osteoblasts. Osteoblasts actually are the bone cells, bone forming cells. Here is the definition of osteoblasts. These cells are responsible for the synthesis and mineralization of the bone initially, then bone remodeling, because once the bone is formed whole length, there now no bone formation is required. Then osteoblasts keep on working with the bone remodeling whole life, because bone remodeling is going on whole life. Okay. Let me show you osteoblasts. These are osteoblast cells. This is the part of bone that is magnified in this picture, and these cells are shown as osteoblasts. Okay, so osteoblasts are cells that are responsible for the bone formation initially and remodeling later in the life. Then osteocytes. What are osteocytes? Actually, osteoblasts secrete some matrix, and they somehow keep burying in that matrix, and that become a lacunae, not horship lacunae, just a lacunae. That become a lacunae, and this is osteocyte that become lacunae, and that osteoblast bury and that lacunae. Let me show you. This is osteocyte. Actually, it is osteoblast that has secreted a matrix, and it is surrounded by its matrix, and they form some canaculi. Look at this canaculi. With this canaculi, it connects with other osteocytes and exchange the material. Okay, this is lacunae of the osteocytes. So osteocyte resides in the lacunae, but doesn't reside in horship lacunae. So it is not our answer. Now go to the osteoclast. This is osteoclast. What are osteoclasts? Actually, osteoclasts are from the family of monocyte macrophage system. These osteoclasts are multinucleated cells, as macrophages are in the other body parts. These are large multinucleated cells responsible for the dissolution and absorption of the bone. Actually, osteoclast is same as I told you, that actually osteoclasts are formed by the fusion of many cells derived from circulating monocytes. So these have as many as 200 nucleuses in one osteoclast. Normally there are 10 to 20, 5 to 10 nucleuses. So these are the cells that reside in horship lacunae. These are also uh, osteoclasts. This picture is also osteoclast. These are look at this picture. It is looking like a macrophage, pseudopods, and this is horship lacunae. Actually, what is horship lacunae? Horship lacunae is tiny depressions, pits, or irregular grooves in the bone that are being resorbed by osteoclasts. Because osteoclasts are responsible for the bone resorption, so they continuously keep making the tiny depressions in the bone, that are presentable or show as host ship lacunae in the microscope. So this is the cell that resides in the host ship lacunae. Let's see remaining two options that were chondroblast and chondrocytes. Chondroblast are same as osteoblast and chondrocyte are same as osteocyte, just that the difference is that chondroblasts and chondrocytes are found in the cartilage and osteoblasts and osteocytes are found in the bone. So our answer is, let's write the answer. Our answer is osteoclasts. Yeah. That was it for today. We solved the MCQ for today. If you want to see other MCQs which come in the FCPS part 1 and how to crack that MCQ, please follow our channel. Subscribe the channel to get notifications, and till then, Khuda Hafiz.